Are you tired of building Power Platform apps that become chaotic, slow, and impossible to manage as your business grows? Welcome to Effective Power Platform Data Modeling. To build a digital empire, you have to build the skeleton before you add the flesh. In this complete masterclass, we will transform your messy business requirements into bulletproof visual blueprints. By watching this entire video, you'll uncover the professional secrets to secure data integration, choosing the perfect Dataverse containers, and mastering table relationships without triggering catastrophic data loss. Don't build another app until you've watched this full course. Let's dive in. Today we are tackling data models using the skeleton and the flesh approach. Think of a data model as the blueprint for your software house. We start with the skeleton, sketching out the logical model to agree on big picture concepts. Then we add the flesh with object diagrams to visualize real data in action. Finally, we hand over the physical model, the exact engineering details for the developers to build. Once you have your blueprints, where does the data live? Think of Dataverse as your secure home pantry. If you want full control, you can import data permanently, moving it inside using connectors, data flows, or web APIs. But if your data changes constantly or is highly sensitive, you should integrate it instead. This acts like a magic window using virtual tables to view external information directly without copying it. Always weigh your cost, security, and change frequency. Let's use our skeleton and the flesh method to build your database. First, build the skeleton, your digital filing room. Tables act as your major filing cabinets. You can choose standard cabinets for everyday data, activity cabinets for tracking actions, or virtual cabinets to view external files. Next, we add the flesh, the columns. These are the specific fillable lines on your paper forms inside those cabinets. By carefully matching the exact right text, date, choice, or calculated formats, you flesh out a perfectly organized, extensible system that is ready to grow. To stop user chaos, every app needs a rulebook. First, we lay down the skeleton with reference data. This acts as your standard vocabulary, like a fixed list of countries or job roles, which completely prevents messy data entry. Then, we add the flesh with configuration data. This is your hidden control panel, letting admins tweak app behavior on the fly without rewriting any code. Just remember, always lock your actual passwords in a secure digital vault. Data is rarely useful in isolation, which is why we need to link our tables using relationships. Most of the time, you will use a one-to-many relationship, like linking one parent customer to their many child invoices. But beware of the domino effect. When you link tables, cascade behaviors decide what happens to the children if you delete the parent. Always follow the golden rules to keep your app reliable. Reduce duplication, keep things simple, and leverage standard tables before building custom ones. In this course, we completely mastered Power Platform data modeling using the skeleton and the flesh approach. We built the skeleton when we translated complex business needs into visual blueprints and established our foundational tables. Then we added the flesh when we chose how we imported or integrated our external data and built out our precise data columns. Finally, we locked it all down with our configuration rulebooks and secure cascade behaviors. We successfully engineered the perfect digital foundation.